Hello everybody, it's Kai. Nice to see you guys again. It's been a hot minute. Hopefully you're all doing fantastic. I have to say, it's been a bit and I thought I would have more to say or do, but I don't. So I will just give, that's a weird feeling. I'll just give a really small update on like the garden and how things went this year. Just housekeeping, really. So the garden went really good. I got a ton of peppers, which they produce. They're out there. I can't go out there right now. But I got lots of lettuce. I got lots of carrots. The carrots were a hit. They were so good. I came out with a bunch that were like probably 12 inches long, a bunch of them. I gave a bunch away because I had too many. My blueberries, I got a ton of those, so I was able to make blueberry smoothies for myself in the morning, blueberry milkshakes, just blueberries in general. And I kept busy with some of my other things like the Swiss chard. I ate some of that. The beets didn't do very well. They just didn't produce much. I don't know. I'm just not a beets type of person, I guess. But yeah. The whole garden went really good. Had a lot of success. We did plant 2 apple trees, so maybe next year I'll show more of that, and hopefully we'll see some progress over the fall with rooting. No other updates as to the garden for that. The little Plumerias, they're getting bigger. I've given away a bunch, and some of them that I gave away are already like a foot tall or more. The ones here are smaller just because we don't have the heat. But the ones I gave away, they're large because they've had a lot more heat and they've been put in like warming room or warmer rooms. My house stays pretty chilly, so they don't get all the heat that they necessarily want. I don't know what else I can talk about. Bird stuff, nah, not probably gonna come for a while, so I have to take a break. I have to take a break from falconry for a minute. Just a minute. I don't know if I want to give a reason right now, but I'm currently not able to do that at the moment for various reasons, so we're taking a hot minute from falconry while I deal with some other things at the moment. But there will be more bird stuff. I'm thinking, I think I might start up again in like late October, November-ish. But for now, you won't be seeing him at all until then. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in the background, so I want to get through that, and then maybe November I might make more with him, but we'll see where I'm at. It's really dependent on how timeline wise things go. So anyway, I wouldn't worry. Don't worry about it. I'm good. Just it's all about waiting. It's a waiting game. We'll go with that. But I hope to be back to it. Hopefully before the end of the season. Otherwise, I'm going to be very sad. But for now, Birdo will not be around for a little bit. But yeah, other than that, things are good. Birdo is good. He is living his best life. Right now, I think he's creance training and working with some training with dogs and things like that. So that's what he is doing at the moment. So Fabio is in good hands. He is very good, doing well, healthy. Nothing's up with him. He's all set, having a good old time. Yeah, that's all I got. Hopefully I will see everybody soon. I don't know if I'll make many videos until I'm doing more. Yeah. Well, you know the drill, guys. You can comment if you want, or like it, or subscribe if you really want to too. I do post falconry content, I promise. It's just I have bad luck, so I have really, really interesting luck. So things tend to happen at the worst time. Yeah. Maybe I'll start reviewing tea brands. Start doing tea reviews by the end of the month. My goodness, that would be ridiculous. Maybe I should. I should do like random box tea review. That might be interesting. But yeah, I think that's all I have. But yeah, comment below if you want, or just to say hi. I like seeing everybody in the comments that returns and says hello, and yeah, just interesting. That, and I have more people to annoy about birds and gardening and everything. So feel free to comment just to be a bother if you want. I'll probably respond. I try to respond to everybody. So yes, I will see you guys soon. I'll probably do a tea review or something, or yeah, I don't know. I'll do something really random in the middle of this. I'll see you later.